is a big wing. I feel like this one was injected with antibiotics. I am clocking out for the day. Oh my goodness. My son brought me some Wingstop. So excited to eat that, even though I probably shouldn't. Look how your girl is going. Okay. Bye. Bye. I am done for the day. I am gonna go walk Luna. I don't know if it's still raining. Let's see. No, the sun is out and it is dry as could be. Go ahead and walk Luna and then maybe eat some food and clean up this apartment because I don't know if you can see, but it is a mess. And I need to take those boxes to the dumpster because they have making a home here on my water. Look, there's even a box right here. I need to just go walk those. So like, maybe I'll do that later. It's so bright outside. So bright outside. Oh, it feels so good. It feels like a weather. What the fuck? Feels like fall is what I meant to say. Except with like a splash of Texas heat. Potty. Go potty, pretty girl. Oh, and I wanted to give you an update on those press-on toenails. They actually came so in clutch. I'm not gonna show y'all, like they look like I went and professionally had them done. So ladies, if your man is giving you money to get your nails done, I'm just saying, that's so toxic, but I'm just saying. I'm not gonna show them because I don't give that away for free, baby. I thought I was recording this whole entire time. I ate one chicken wing. I literally thought I was recording this entire time. This is my mukbang. Sorry, I wasn't recording the whole thing. That just really grinds my gears. Hey, can y'all chill? I'm filming. Like I was saying, if you're not dancing to your food, like, is it even good? Dance. If the food's good, I'm dancing anywhere. Anywhere. This booty is popping in the seat. We need a little mini mukbang. This is a big wing. I feel like this one was injected with antibiotics. Like what? Chicken. That was just beefed up. And you're like, Wingstop. That's a good wing for Wingstop. Girl, you're messing up my video. Look at this fucking chicken wing. What in the fucking antibiotic wing is this? Like, this is just fake food that... Tastes delicious. I'm back and I took a nap. Yeah, so enjoy the daily cleaning vlog. Good enough. The best thing to do is to break them down and then take them to the dumpster. The dumpster's not closed, it's like around the corner, but like the fuck. these boxes down so I can get these boxes out of my sight. Now that those are gone, now we can sweep and mop the sky. It's like dark and gloomy. I hope it does rain, because if it rains, I can sleep really, really good. So I had every intention of finishing my video, my little daily vlog, but as you can see, I took a little bit of a break, and I'm going to eat ice cream now, so I will end my vlog here.